Friends, welcome to Money Talks Kaun Banega Clientpati, episode 3. As usual, this episode will also have 10 participants, and the winner is the one who is getting the maximum mind share from a client. So, friends, let's begin. And today we have two special jury members with us, Mr. Manish Mehta, who is the National Sales Head, Kotak Mutual Fund, and Mr. Love Kumar, who is the Zonal Head, West and Alliance LIC Mutual Fund.
I welcome all the participants and the clients.
So for all our MFDs, friends who are sitting across and talking to their clients, it's very, very important that you get confidence of this client. So this KBC, which is Kaun Banega Clientpati, is all about how to win your client's confidence.
We have been in existence for nearly 6 years now with over 600 clients across the globe.
As I was in the retirement phase, he inducted me into the mutual fund ecosystem and mixed a fair sense of caution and aggression which suited my requirements going forward.
हमारी कंपनी का मिशन है कि हम 10,000 लोगों को फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम अचीव करने में उनकी मदद कर सके.
He is such a wonderful financial planner. I have been using his services since last 5 years.
Whenever any investor comes to us, whether it's us or for you, he is there for 10, 15, 20 years. Which means we are bound to become close with him and his family will become close with us.
Your financial, your emotional, your family. So he's an overall solution provider.
We are just putting all our learning and all our teachings, all our experience into practices. We are just working for the clients.
पहले कभी मैंने किसी फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टेंट या एडवाइजर की सपोर्ट नहीं ली थी, बट ऑन हिज वेरी सिंसियर रिकमेंडेशन आई मेट मिस्टर देवेंद्र गोस्वामी.
First thing, I always keep my client interest as priority. Everything else will follow that. One thing I strongly believe is, if we take care of our clients, client will take care of us.
He is a qualified professional, having a wide experience in investment field. He has got this experience through his father also.
Hence we believe we are here to serve them. We really wanted to work like not as a financial advisor, like a financial caretaker.
So Biranchi is very passionate, knowledgeable and has genuine interest in well-being of all of his clients.
मैंने ये अक्सर देखा है कि लोग पैसा कमाते भी हैं और निवेश भी करते हैं, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात ये है उन्हें यही नहीं पता कि पैसा हम किसके लिए कमा रहे हैं और निवेश करने के बाद हमारा लक्ष्य क्या है.
मेरे इनकी एडवाइस से लगभग सारे फाइनेंशियल गोल्स समय पर अचीव हो गए.
We started this organization in 2016, and in the last 5 years, what we have focused on is providing 360-degree holistic financial services to all our clients.
And I'm very happy with that. And looking at that, again, I introduced few of my friends with Mr. Saurav, and I see their smiling face, and I'm getting regular feedback from them, and they are very happy with Mr. Saurav.
क्या आपकी अच्छी खासी आमदनी भी महीने के अंत आते आते खत्म हो जाती है? क्या आपके ज्योतिष ने कभी आपसे ये कहा है कि आपके हाथ में पैसे आते तो बहुत है मगर टिकते नहीं हैं? तो अब ये समय आ गया है आपको अपनी आदतों को बदलने का.
मुझे पहले शेयर मार्केट का कोई बहुत ज़्यादा अनुभव नहीं था. इस कारण से जब मैंने शेयर मार्केट में अपने पैसे लगाए थे तो उसमें मेरे पैसे बहुत ज़्यादा डूब गए थे. इसी बीच में जब मेरा रवि जी से कॉन्टेक्ट हुआ तो रवि जी ने मुझे सलाह दी, यदि आपको इक्विटी का आइडिया नहीं है तो बेटर आप म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करिए.
The USP of my product in servicing my mutual fund clients is specifically that I consider rolling returns of the fund instead of CAGR returns.
So I think very, very interesting set of videos, and I think I think one common link which very clearly came out in all the videos is customer centricity.
One of the major role of our distributors or MFDs or advisors is to actually train our investors also.
we have created a golden triangle framework which includes purpose, risk, and tenure.
You need to invest with not just an advisor, not just a distributor. You need to invest with a volatility coach. I am a certified rebalance volatility coach with 20 years of experience, making sure that your seed goes into the right plant.
And I always believe, because I want to see this country to be very rich. This is something phenomenal. And I am not advisor at all. I really wanted to become the Sarathi of your life.
दोस्तों, जब भी कभी म्यूचुअल फंड में या शेयर बाजार में निवेश करने की बात होती है तो अक्सर डर होता है कि बाजार में उतार चढ़ाव बहुत होता है और इसके चलते जो है हर किसी के मन में डर रहता है। लोगों के इसी डर को दूर करने के लिए ही हम लोग जो है हमेशा प्रयासरत रहते हैं।
Helping people to create long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom in their life. ये मेरे लाइफ का एक मिशन है।
एक सिंपल फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग पिरामिड है जो हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं, जिसमें कहा जाता है कि भाई बॉटम में आपका आता है इमरजेंसी फंड, आपका मेडिकल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, उसके बाद आप सिंपल गोल बेस्ड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करिए, क्लाइंट्स की एसेट एलोकेशन करिए, और थर्ड हो गया सिंपल उसको नॉमिनेशंस की, विल की, रिटायरमेंट की टाइम टू टाइम थोड़ा सा अवेयरनेस करते रहिए।
And we started it with a small amount and focusing on the children education and the emergency fund, and we are now breaking all the barriers, are now achieving towards the financial freedom in the upcoming years.
And here coming to my friend, his advisor, really, if how a baby feels when it is on a mother's lap, it feels so safe. So I feel so safe when I am with Shrikant and his advisors.
Basically, finance is all about trust. Either you have trust or you don't have trust. There is no in between.
तो मैं सर सोनी से जुड़ा, एक चीज हमको सोनी का सबसे अच्छा लगा जो है इसका ऑनेस्टी।
रेगुलर बोलता रहता था म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में खास करके, और मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता था म्यूचुअल फंड और इन्वेस्टमेंट और एनी अदर थिंग। और वेरी फ्रैंकली मैंने शेयर मार्केट में बहुत बड़ा धोखा खाया हुआ था, तो थोड़ा ऐसी मेरे को डर भी लगता था।
So Saurabh does that for us as a family. So he's become like a family member to us, and he's been inspiring us to achieve our financial goals.
Number one, I will appreciate, which all of us will agree to that each and everyone is a winner. It's not about winning or losing over here.
No, so very well, I think clients also summed up the effort which has been put up by these MFDs in advising them and educating them. More than advising, I would say educating them, because once you educate, the advice comes so naturally.
You know, the way the clients have also brought out their understanding of the, not only about the investments part, and again going back to that trust element, I think that comes out the kind of comfort.